So on Monday we learned the new sound A, well done, and we also learned the new tricky word which was I. Well done everybody. Okay, so we're going to learn we're going to learn another new tricky word and also a new digraph. Do you remember what a digraph was? Two letters that come together to make one sound. Okay, so we're going to start with the digraph today. Okay, and this is the picture, the book that we're looking at today from Jolly Phonics. I think we're on book number 4, just so you know. Okay, right, so the wind has blown an oak tree onto a goat. Oh, the poor goat. Can you see him at the top over there? The children see the goat and stop and say, "Oh, oh, poor goat." They run to get the farmer to help the poor goat. Okay, so if you look up at the top there, we've got an and we've got an ah. So when we put an and an together, you put them together and they make an O sound. Can you do it? O. And again, O. Well done. It's an O sound. Can you see anything in the picture that has an O sound? There was one thing that was mentioned in the story. An animal. Yeah, you're right. It's a goat. Can you see the goat under the tree? The goat. So it's a O. Goat. Okay, and it's at the top on where I'm pointing now. Goat. Okay. Can you see anything else in there that might have an O sound? There actually was something else in the story. It's a type of tree, and it's the tree that's on top of the goat. It's an oak tree. Oak tree. Well done. Okay. Anything else you can see? What's the girl wearing? It's a coat. Is there an O sound in coat? Well done, you're right. Let's see, is there anything else I can see? Oh, what is the little boy holding? It's a boat. Boat. Has boat got an O sound in it? Very good, well done. So you need to start practicing your O sounds now. Okay, well done. Now that is the digraph that we've learned. So now we know 2 digraphs. We know A and O. A and O. And now we're going to learn a new tricky word. Now on Monday, we learned I. Did you think of sentences with your grown-up? Well done, everybody. Okay, so this is the new tricky word we've got. Now, we've got a t, a. So it's a t, a. But when we put a t and a h together, it's actually a digraph and it's a sound, okay? Can you say it? Okay, you put your teeth on the top of your tongue and go okay? Can you say the word? The cat was under the tree. The goat was under the tree. The wind blew the tree down. The girl was wearing a coat. The boy had a boat. Okay, so I wonder if you can think of sentences with your grown-up with the in it. A challenge for you. Maybe you could even think of sentence with I and the in it. Good luck. Hwyl fawr.